keeping fit and fine. Today I have come before you with an important video on a very significant topic, that is tense. Many students face problem in expressing themselves in proper tense. But if you go into it deeply and minutely, you could easily express yourself in proper tense while writing something and while speaking English. So today in this video you see that, look at the board, Achievers point present tense, first part. Before I go in detail, let me explain what is person. Person is a very important thing. First person I, singular, in plural it is we. Second person singular you, plural also you. Third person singular he, she, it, any name. He, she, it, any name. Third person singular number, plural they. Plural, third person plural is they. And remember, with third person singular number in simple present tense you have to add s or es, and also does not. Does or does not. I will go in detail after that. And object. What is object? Object is if you ask verb question with whom and what. If you ask verb question with whom and how, what, and get the answer, it is object. It is called object. Object is either noun or pronoun, and if you do not get any answer, it means that the sentence does not have any object. Number, singular, plural, you know it. And then adverbs. Yes, adverbs also come like today, tomorrow, yesterday, day before yesterday, just now, already, sometimes, often. These are the adverbs, and those adverbs are also used in tense. Now the first one, simple present tense. Another name of simple present tense is present indefinite tense. And what is the definition? A work that happens every day, always, sometimes. The work that happens every day, sometimes, always. This is expressed in simple present tense or present indefinite tense. Universal truth is also expressed. Then historical event, planned future event, present exclamation. Now I shall go to the example. He drinks tea every morning. Habitual work, simple present tense. Why yes? Because he is third person singular number. I have told you that with third person singular number you have to add s or yes with the verb. So he drinks tea every morning. The sun rises in the east. This is also a universal truth. Shah Jahan then attacks Bijapur. This is a past, historical past. It has already happened. But we can express it in simple present tense in order to give it a dramatic effect, so that while reading that thing we get more interest. This happened in the past, but we can express it in present tense, simple present tense. Number 4, we go to Delhi next week. This is a future event, but planned future event. We have decided it. So in this case we can use simple present tense. Then here comes the train. This is exclamation. Here comes the train. There he goes. This is a present exclamation. And one more example is, does he play? Sorry, you do not work hard. This is negative sentence. Negative. You work hard, affirmative. You do not work hard, negative sentence. While making negative, you have to use do not, does not. Third person singular number, you have to use does not. With other, the personal number like first person, second person, third person plural, you have to use do not. Does he play? This is interrogative sentence. Does he play? Why does? Because he is third person singular number. Remember, if you bring does in the sentence, if you bring does or does not in the sentence, then do not add s or yes with the main verb. If you bring does not or does in the sentence, after that don't use s or yes with the main verb. This is the rule. So here I have given you the examples of simple present tense. One more thing I have to tell you, that these are the examples of event verb. Event verb. Another is the state verb. Condition, like I am a boy, he is a student, you are a girl, she is a student of this class. This is also simple present tense or present indefinite tense, but here we are using be verb. What is be verb? Be verb is am, is, are, was, were, and be also. So when we use be verb, this is called, the state verb or condition verb. And in this case, there is no object. One example I am giving you, the baby sleeps on the bed. The baby sleeps on the bed. Here there is no object. If you ask, what does the baby sleep? Or whom does the baby sleep? No answer. You are not getting answer. So, there is no object in this sentence. But if we say, he drinks tea every morning, so what does he drink? What does he drink? Tea. The answer is tea. Father calls me. Whom does father call? Whom does father call? Me. Me is the object. Sometimes there can be two objects. There can be two objects. Like father is teaching me English. Sorry, father teaches me English. So what does father teach? English. One object. Whom does father teach English? Me. Another object. So this is the object, and if you don't get any object, it means that if you don't get any answer after asking the question with whom and what to the verb, it means that the sentence has no object. Now I am coming to present continuous tense. What is the definition? A work that is happening now or near future event. Sometimes habitual event also. Example, the girl is singing now. This is happening now. The girl is singing now. With I, you have to use am. With you, they, we, you use are. And with he, she, it, any name, we use is. This is continuous. The girl is singing now. My uncle is arriving tomorrow. My uncle is arriving tomorrow is near future event. Or I am buying a television set this afternoon. I am not buying it now, but I will buy, and that will happen in the near future. So we can use present continuous tense here also, that I am buying a TV set this evening. Another example is the boys are always running out into the road. This is habitual event. The boys are always running out into the road. That means it happens every day. During the tiffin hours, the students are running out of the classroom. That it happens every day, habitual event. It is not actually happening now, but it happens every day. So here we can use present continuous tense. Why are you shouting? This is a WH word question. We have made the question. You remember that when you are making question, the helping verb like am, is, are will go before the subject. Why are you shouting? You is the subject, are is the helping verb. So are is before the subject, you. I am coming to present perfect tense. A work which is now completed recently or sometimes ago with result remaining or absent. The work is completed. Maybe recently, maybe sometimes ago. It may have result remaining or may not have any result remaining. Example, and here you have to use has, have. What is the structure? Subject, has oblique have, third form of the verb or the past participle form of the verb. Then object and then other words. Like this one, the clock has just struck 10. Has just struck. Struck is the past participle form. Strike, struck, struck. One thing, students, you have to remember the verb form. Present tense, past tense and past participle form. This is very important to write correct English, to speak correct English and to use proper tense. The clock has just struck 10. You have cut your finger. And there is a result. There is bleeding. Bleeding is the result. You have cut your finger. Cut, cut, cut. Third form is also cut. With I, you, they, we use have. I, you, they, plural have. And with third person singular number like he, she, it, we use has in negative has not. You have cut your finger, the result is bleeding. I have already read the book. I have already read the book. This is the read, 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 third form. Third form of the verb, that is past partial form of the verb. There is no result. I have already, if I say Gopi has eaten all biscuits, Gopi has eaten all biscuits, there is result that now there is no biscuit in the box or not in the pot. So the result is all the biscuits are finished. Gopi has eaten all biscuits. The result is no biscuits remain now. So in present perfect tense, sometimes you will find the result remains, sometimes no result remains. Coming to the number 4 one of this tense, present tense, present perfect continuous tense, a work that began in the past and is still going on. The work has started. The work has already started and is still going on. One thing I will tell you, with present perfect tense, you cannot use past tense. Like if you write, I have got your letter yesterday, this is wrong. I have got your letter today. I have recently got your letter. I have got your letter just now, that's okay. But no past adverb like yesterday, last night, last week, last year, these are not used with present perfect tense. Remember that thing. And then which adverbs are used with present perfect tense? Just now, already, yet, still. These are the adverbs we use with present perfect tense. Now present perfect continuous tense, the work started in the past and it is still going on. It has been raining since 5 a.m. It has been raining since 5 a.m. So the structure is subject, has been, have been, verb 1 plus ing, object, since oblique for plus time. What is the rule of since and for? Since comes to express from the time when the work started. The time when the work started, we use since. To express that thing, to express that thing, we use since. The point when the work started. And what is the use of for? The duration of the work. So with since, we use since 5 a.m., since yesterday, since last week, since 6 a.m., any time, fixed time when the work started. And for 2 hours, for 6 months, for 5 months, for 2 years, since 2015, since 2020, and it's for 6 months, 5 months, for 2 days, for 2 minutes, for 10 minutes, duration of the work. They have been working for 2 hours. That means their work started 2 hours before and it is still going on. It has been raining since 5 a.m. That means the raining began at 5 a.m. and it is still continuing. If you add since or for with present continuous tense, it will become present perfect continuous tense. It is raining, present continuous tense. It has been raining since morning, present perfect continuous tense. The last one, she has been sick since Monday. She has been sick since Monday. Sick is not a verb. This is also present perfect continuous tense, but sick is not a verb, sick is an adverb. Sick is an adjective. And with adjective we cannot add ing. With adjective we cannot add ing, so it will be just exact adjective. She has been sick, or another example, the boy has been intelligent since childhood. I have been unwell. I have been unwell since Monday. So when there is an adjective, don't add ing with adjective. Only with the verb, with present perfect continuous tense, you will add ing. So today, guys, I have explained before you the 4 tenses of present tense: present simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense with explanation. In my next video, I will bring you the 4 divisions of past tense and thereafter 4 divisions of the future tense. For any queries, any information to clear any doubt or confusion, my number will go with this video, 7903449898. This Achievers Point is always ready, and I am always ready to help you in whatever way possible. Thank you very much for the time being.